it's me at Jong Sumalingdog. So may panibagong video naman tayong gagawin sa channel na ito. Kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, and comment na rin para update kayo sa susunod na video na aking gagawin. So, ngayong araw guys is ano ba ang brochure? So, ano ba ang brochure? Ang brochure guys is a printed digital or documents used to inform or advertise. Yes, advertise po yung brochure o to inform everyone. It often include the text, image, or graphic. What is the purpose of the brochure? Ang purpose nito guys is to promote product or service, to provide information, and to act as a mini catalog or flyer. So, pwede rin itong marketing or promotion, information or tool, event or program guide, educational material, product showcase. So, ang brochure pala guys is meron itong 5 part. Yes, may 5 part ang brochure. Ito po ang bifold brochure, trifold brochure, Z-fold brochure, and gatefold brochure, and also bracket or catalog brochure. Yun po ang 5 type of brochure. And so, dyan muna tayo magtatapos guys. So, abangan niyo po ang pangalawang type or mga nilalaman or tips designing great brochure. Designing brochure, ang part 2. So, abangan nyo guys and thank you for watching.